Techno India Group's founder chairman and Techno India University's founder chancellor, Professor Dr. Gautam Roy Chaudhary, who has empowered 1 million aspirants over the past 39 years. This chain reaction will empower 1 trillion individuals and eradicate poverty in India within 4 years, with a vision to eradicate poverty in India within 10 years. Dr. Chaudhary innovated this revolutionary idea. He plans to empower 2 million villagers online, teaching them to grow 40 export-quality mango plants at a cost of just 1 rupee each. He has aggregated 1,000 mango exporters in India to support this initiative. After 5 years, all growers will supply their mangoes to these exporters. In return, the exporters will cover the higher education expenses, including hostel and food charges, for one child of each grower at Techno India universities under the Earn and Learn scheme, in association with 1,000 universities in India and abroad. Upon completing their higher education, these children will secure jobs, manage their family mango farms online, and support 5 poor children in their villages, empowering them through the Techno India University ecosystem. After retirement, these empowered individuals will manage their family mango farms, becoming self-employed and further empowering elderly people and women in their villages. This ecosystem aims to produce 1 trillion mango plants, including rooftop gardens, barren lands, roadsides, canal sides, riversides, and wetlands over the next decade. The 1 rupee mango economy will also usher in a new green revolution and play a significant role in the fight against global warming. Dr. Rai Chaudhary aims to empower 1 billion aspirants worldwide by teaching them how to cultivate Miyazaki mangoes on every rooftop. This mission serves a dual purpose of empowering elderly individuals and women while beautifying rooftops. Dr. Rai Chaudhary advocates for the cultivation of 20 Miyazaki mango trees in 20 tubs on each rooftop. He will conduct extensive applied research to enable individuals to grow 20 different varieties of mangoes with various colors and qualities. Additionally, he will encourage entrepreneurship and rural development by creating a market for mass-produced mangoes through online aggregators. These mangoes will serve as both a lucrative financial venture and a means of fostering economic empowerment. Dr. Chaudhary also urges schools, colleges, universities, institutions, panchayats, societies, NGOs, associations, and government individuals with small or large chunk of land to send an email to career@technoindiaeducation.com.